Yes, President. Nasi sihlalo sakhe sibekelena la. Uyeza nje urecognize nasi nesihlalo sikhona. To our respected media partners, sponsors, traditional leaders, stakeholders, and everyone present here today, first and foremost, I would like to thank you all making time to attend this media briefing. Your presence means everything to us, because without the media, the story, the purpose of the impact of Amachuele Festival will not reach the purpose and the people in mean to inspire. We are deeply grateful for overwhelming support received during the last edition. The Amachuele Festival was sold out to bring a powerful and emotional moment to us as the organizers. But more important, for the thousands of maidens who came out in their numbers and celebrate who they are, where they come from. This festival is more than an event. It's a celebration of AmaZulu traditional, honoring young women who have been choosing to preserve their purity until the marriage. To witness so many maidens standing proud, confident, and united was a clear reminder that our culture is alive, respected, and the word protective. We would like to thank you, the families, and the guardians, traditional leaders, and the partners who bring us this far. Njengoba sazi ke sonke ukuthi lo mcimbi odlule ngabe awubanga khona ukube omama laba abahleli ngapha eceleni kwami abangona umehlo kanjalo nezinduna zeintombi kanye nezintombi azilwanga ukuze umcimbi wabo ube khona. Community for trusting us with such important cultural platform. Your support affirmed with the Amachuele Festival is necessary, reverent, and impactful. Today we are proud to officially announce Amachuele Festival is back. On the 7th of March we return again at Carisfontein, but this time bigger and better due to the massive demand and support. We have adjusted the capacity to 15,000 attendees, ensuring the safer, more than exclusive, and the memorable experience to everyone. This year edition promises to be the one the history books. We are bringing one of the biggest lineup, enhanced production, and the stronger cultural program that continues to respect, uplift, and celebrate our maidens and the heritage. We invite the media to continue walking the journey with us, help us this story, not just an entertainment, but as the cultural movement and restores pride, dignity, and the unity. Let us gather once more on the 7th of March and make Amachuele Festival a moment that will be remembered in the generation to come. Eta manje sizohamba Facebook page wami umfowethu lapha uzowazama ku social media uzobafakela i-lineup okusho ukuthi ke namhlanje uyidana about lineup ngesiphinde sikhuluma ngama artists ngoba ama artists sizodedela main post not ama single post sizodedela main post namhlanje sidedele ama package for icubuthwana zethu ezobe zikhona mase siyayivala so sihlangane nomhla ka7 nama artists so ke alikho ivukane ekuthiwa ngizothiwa khona ivukane lizovula asinama avukana azovula and asinayo kuthiwa azongena ngaseqaleni ama artists wonke esiwathathile azo ngasemcimbini. Okwesibili ama artists ngicela iyeke lento this year sasibanikeza ikhathi emini. This is a day event, is not a night event. Umcimbi wasemini bonke sasibanikeza ikhathi bedudulana ebusuku bagcina abanye bengadlalanga. Probably owayengekho next year nambona kwi-poster wangafika kulonyaka asixaka ukuthi simfonele. Wonke umuntu owayebi-poster last year wangafika kulonyaka akekho kwi-lineup yethu. Secondly, wonke ama-artists sicela ehloniphe isikhathi soba sinikeza bona ngoba ingane kufanele ntambama zikwazi ukugoduka ngoba kunengane ezizisiwa kude namabhasi njalo njalo. So asibonge kakhulu kuma artist asihlonipha last year. Uma esihlonipha last year sinenkinga zesponsor sasinaso emva kwalapho egcineni saphula out ekukhokheleni ama artist kodwa asikaze nozamama usihlangane nalodi artist lisithuka ku social media kodwa baqhubekile baba loyal. So in that case ke labo bantu engikhuluma ngabo ngikhuluma uMathwala Natasha ayakhe BSA Zawulekas Lungelo Jumbo DJ Ngati Perenshankulu Qabe Twins DJ Kotini Mayo Kathuza Nlango Maganga Mafikizolo DJ Ngane uDanky Boy Ayanda Ntanzi Navigator Mdumazi Vala Mdumazi Ntencane Bebso Dumo Gatsheni Sikweletu Limit DJ Phumi Pitnazi Masoba Umthandeni. So in that case ke lokho kuwenze ukuba nakulonyaka laba bahlonipha isimemo sethu last year singabashintshi beke kube ibona abazophinda next year ngoba asikwazi ukuthi ngoba sesinosheleni esesinawo mase siqala phansi sizoshintsha line up sithi hayi laba asesithola abanye abangcono. So sina singabantu abaloyal ukuthi laba bakwazi ukuhonorisha into engelutho kulonyaka asiphinde futhi sime nabo. And secondly laba abantu engikhuluma ngabo boba u28 ibona bazosho isikhathi abafuna ukudlala ngaso. Sizobanikeza opportunity ukuthi befonele ingane office bebuza ukuthi u right ngasikhathi simi lesikhathi ayosisho iyona sobe sininikeza sona ngoba sibatshengisa ukuthi siyabahlonipha. Okwesithathu kulonyaka wonke umuntu ozoba ingxenye yomcimbi siyocela ukuba aqoke white ngoba i-theme yakulonyaka ithi Amajwele Festival all white everyone. Ngabe we guest ngabe we VIP ngabe we general ngabe we chief ngabe almost everyone uzamamba uthe ufuna kubonakale kumhlophe istadium lonyaka. Okungiphatha kabuhlungu yilokho ukuthi last year after media briefing amathikithi ahamba kakhulu. Right now sine capacity yabantu about 12,000 abadinga event kodwa njengamanje amathikithi sesiwadayisele out 3,700 okusho ba ku January nje okusho ukuthi ngase kuphela inyanga ngoba I used to ukuthi sibuke la efonini every day ngosuku mhlawumbe kuyathenga abantu abawu 80 70 100 okungase kwenze ukuthi uma abantu bedembesela ukuthi bethenga amathikithi ngenxa yeCharlesfontein capacity yakhona asikwazi uba nestamp fit uzosiphoqa ukuthi asifake usold out. So no sold out kulonyaka ke uzama mdlala ngani bathi usold out ube khona uzoba khona usold out base sikufikile inamba. So kodwa ke phela kusho ukuthi ngoba uyena ngithema ngithi asambeni siye ePeople's Park wasaba ne team okude bathi ayasiqhubekeni labe kade sikhona ngoba nami nginabantu engisebenza nabo engibalalelayo uma ukuthi bayasho. So ke ngokumthetho event yethu ngibona indlela enkulu ngamathikithi akufuneka ngabe seCharlesfontein ngenxa ye-capacity incane kakhulu eCharlesfontein kufuneka ngabe simuvele sa ePeople's Park kodwa ke i-team nabaphathi baka-First and Quick nababangiphethe bathe no asingayi lapha asiqhubekeni ize izini event masiyaphuma. Njengoba sazi ukuthi ke kubantu ababekhona kwi-line up kunabantu ababe 17 abangafikanga kwi-event. So ke we decided u-add abantu i-line up 2. I-event yamajwelele akusiyona i-event e-fortune. This is not a political party event, just an event engcwele nesihloniphayo nathi kakhulu ngoba inemgomo yakhona nembandela. Siphinde futhi sibonge abase-Red Commission abahlale nathi bathi cha uma ningayiphulanga imithetho esinicele ukuthi niyiphule niyobe nesisize kwakhulu. Kanjalo nonomehlo bahlale nathi phansi bacela ukuthi no asibalansise kuma artists ukuze yonke into yethu izobukeka ingahle ngabe ngazi ukuthi signi-friction ethize. So in that case i-event yethu ke kulaba bantu ke ababe khona last year bengibabalile abawu-28 sibe sesi-eda ke nanka ke ama-artist ke akhona ke kulo nyaka esiba-eda event okubalwa khona uGandaganda, uSaliwa, uShenge wasehlala Nkosi, uMnotho, uThandeka Hatebe, uMjabulisi, Amayelo Bhoni, uShuni wasemzini, uAli Mgube njenge-legend, Sminofu, uSweety Cabashe, uMzukulu, uFeza, uJaiva Zimnike, uNkeshemba, uMenzi kanye noKhuzani Mpungose. So in that case ngicela ke ukunethulela ke i-poster ye-event angazi ke ukuthi bazoyithola kanjani but ngizoyifuata ema-groupini nabanezinombolo zami angazi bazoyithola kodwa ngicela umfuatele umfowethu ebadlalele lapha online abantu ukuze bezokwazi ukuthi nabo beyithola. Okunye esicelayo kulonyaka ukuthi bonke abantu abafisayo ukuba bezodayisa sicela kunenombolo ka-031 lapha kwi-post esibavumelayo ukuthi bengakwazi ukuba beshaye kuyona ukuze bezokwazi ukuthi bethole ama-permit okudayisa ngoba into eyenzeka last year khona abantu abafika ebusuku babeka ama-container abo uma ama-security sebasusa baphatheka kabuhlungu. And ke ngibone uzama bengayisho i-camp kazwelonke eba ngoLesihlanu uthi usekhohle kulungile ngoLesihlanu usuke kune-camp yabo kazwelonke. Into engiyicelayo kubaphathi bakwa-First and ukuthi belekelele iy'ngane lezi ey'suke zize ecampini ekuseni ukuthi cela besitholele i-storage ekuzobekwa kubona obhaka. Sake sacima ubhaka wentombazana kanti ingane ithe masiyijabulele yavele yawushiya lapha emastebhisini. Yathi ingane ngekwazi ungena kubhaka ungekho sa-round i-ground lonke sicima ubhaka wentombazana. Angazi ubhaka ungafaka amathegi kulokhu uma begcinelwa bebekelwa ukuze sikwazi sekusendelile ukuze sikwazi ukuthi utholakale. Angazi ikhona kodwa into esingafuneka siyenze kanjalo khona futhi. Okugcina nci base siyaza ngibona sisukhetha ngeke ngalutho oseduzane uyelo thatha bengimfonela lo sisebekhetha ngeke ukuze sikwazi ukuhle.
Uyakhuluma
Futhi besho bengero ngangifona. Yes. Okay. Then ke ngo Friday uthi uZamambo this year i-theme all red. Isikete esimnyama neveste isikete esibomvu neveste libomvu mina ngilona intshitsha ngiyazi yabo
ngale team B
lapho team B sonke no tjatha no mahlobo siyu team B thi ngado team B lo ngapha ngapha bathi ngathi content itani solid hayi ucubene
Mbona no F